This is first saree in this video. Pure Kanjipuram bridal collection. Body color is wine color with a completely golden zari work on it. Very attractive and beautiful color. This is how the pallu looks. And the border comes with elephant and peacock motifs alternatively, and this is how the complete body is. Floral motifs on zari. And that is the blouse you will be getting. Same saree color blouse with the border. This saree is priced at Rs 14,500. This is next saree which is of same type but only the color difference and little difference in the border as well. The body color is maroon and that is the pallu. This is how the border looks. A completely maroon shade with zari work on it. This is the blouse you will be getting, same saree color blouse. This saree is priced at Rs 14,500. This is next one of the most hot selling saree. The base color is purple with a golden zari work on it. The body pattern, they have done a beautiful peacock feather pattern. That is the pallu. This is how the border looks. The whole body have this kind of peacock feather motif. And this is the blouse you will be getting. This beauty is priced at Rs 14,000. And this is same pattern. The base color is maroon with a golden zari work on it. It's completely golden and maroon shade. So this is how the pallu looks and this is how the border. Usually brides will go for maroon or red saree, right? If your choice is maroon, definitely you can have this saree in consideration. Such a pretty saree. This is how the pallu looks and blouse. This is the blouse you will be getting. This pretty lady is priced at Rs 14,000. This is same pattern in different color. Royal blue with golden zari work on it. Pretty royal blue it is. This is how the whole body looks. This is the pallu. And this is how the border looks. Same peacock feather motif all over the saree. This is the blouse you will be getting. This royal blue bridal Kanjipuram is priced at Rs 14,000. This is again the same design with again the different combination. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி பார்த்த saree maroonல வந்து உங்களுக்கு அந்த green shade இருக்காது. இதுல வந்து green shade ஓட கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, which is even more beautiful. The body color is maroon with golden zari work on it. Same pallu. This is how the border. This is how the whole body looks. And this is the blouse you will be getting. Same saree color blouse with border. This maroon beauty is priced at Rs 14,000. This is again the same pattern but the different color. It is red. The body color is red with golden zari work on it. So I am showing you all the available colors in this pattern so that you can pick your choices easily. So all these are pure Kanjipuram silk sarees which comes with silk mark, bridal collection. This is the pallu and that is the blouse you will be getting. This beauty is priced at rupees 14,000. This is the next saree which is quite long border one. The body color is violet with the golden zari work on it. Body full உங்களுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி Vanashalingam patterns கொடுத்திருக்காங்க and this is how the pallu looks. Very rich and grand looking bridal saree it is. This is how the body looks. You can see the elephant, cheetah patterns hand woven on it. This is how the border and that is the pallu. That is the blouse you will be getting. This saree is priced at rupees 14,500. And this is same as the first saree. The body color is red with little big border and with a contrast blouse. So this is how the pallu and the body looks. This is the border and this is how the body looks, full of leaf motif on zari. This is the pallu and completely contrast green color blouse. This red beauty is priced at rupees 14,500. This is again another red saree with a golden zari work on it. This also a big border saree with body full of pattern. This is how the pallu looks. This is how the border and this is the pattern you will be getting all over the saree. A kind of mango booties with a floral patterns on it. This is the pallu and that is the blouse you will be getting. So the price of this particular saree is rupees 14,500. This is again another red. When it is coming to brides, usually they will choose red or maroon saree, right? So that is the reason I am posting the red sarees in this video. This is how the body looks and that is the pallu. The whole body comes with this kind of checkered pattern. This is how the border looks and that is the blouse you will be getting. So this beautiful red saree is priced at rupees 14,500. This is again another red with a different pattern. So this is also a long border saree, pure Kanjipuram bridal saree. So whatever I am showed in this video, it's all pure bridal collection, pure Kanjipuram silk saree. So this is the pallu you will be getting and this is how the border looks. Body pattern பாருங்க உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப டிஃபரெண்டா ரொம்ப எலிகென்ட்டா இருக்கும் இந்த சாரியில. ஸ்கொயர் பேட்டர்ன்ஸ்ல ரொம்ப டிஃபரெண்டா ஹேண்ட் ஓவன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Nice saree. Perfect saree for brides this one. This is the pallu and that is the blouse you will be getting. So this beautiful saree is priced at rupees 14,500.